All right, what's going on, guys? Quick one today. So, went to the junkyard looking for a part for my sister's car, and while I was wandering around, came across this very 2005 styled CTS. I'll put a picture of it on the screen here. This thing was definitely put together years ago when different things were in style than what's in right now. So, basically, on my car, Black V, and on the Drift V, I have a wing here. It's the Sport wing. And this wing came on the base model Sports. A lot of the V guys run them. Very nice wing. Mounts on the trunk lid in between the taillights. This one is a paint matched one to this car. Beautiful. I put it on. I swapped out the old one because I took the old one and put it on the drift car because it was not paint matched. And this one, paint matched, beautiful piece. Looks good, right? So while I was there, I stumbled across another wing, CTS wing. I've never seen it before. So I came home. I took the base model wing off the drift car. As you can see, it is right here. So pulled this guy off, just double side taped on. And we have a very weird looking rear end of a CTS right now. I hate these things with their without the wing, and it kind of bothers me that the V's came without the wings because they just look like so rounded off in the back. So let me show you what I found. Now this wing that I found, it was on a silver car. It was painted silver very poorly, but scuffed it down. I sprayed it black just so I can have a better idea of what it's going to look like on the car. I thought I had more vinyl, but I didn't. And I'm not too crazy about how this semi-gloss black paint is looking. I just sprayed it real quick because silver didn't give it a very good representation on the car. So sprayed it some semi-gloss black. It looks okay, but at least I can put it on the car and see what it looks like. And this is the wing that I found. So it's almost kind of like Trans Am looking with that wraparound side, but as you can see, it's like big and flat on the top and then slopes up like that wing, and it mounts in between the taillights but then goes over top of the taillight and runs up like that. I don't know. Now that's in black, I kind of like it. It's different. I wouldn't say it's as aggressive height-wise, but like I feel like it's not as aggressive as the Sport wing because it doesn't dip down. It's flat across the top. But then it really accentuates this body line by having the offset piece there. So, I don't know, I think I'm gonna rock it. The spray paint came out okay. I gotta go in after this and order up some color match vinyl, but I think what will make this work is a roof wing, like a decently aggressive roof wing, which will be coming. If I keep this on the car, a roof wing will be coming. I've been meaning to get one, but this will kind of motivate me to do so. So we have that coming from this. I don't know. I just feel like it's something different. I mean, I basically had the exact two cars. So having some kind of weird, unique Aero piece, I feel like for me just kind of sets this car apart from the other. And, you know, I always have this wing. Like, I'm not going to get rid of it. So I always had that to go back to if I ever want to. But it's just neat. It's a unique piece. I have no idea who makes it. Back in the day, whoever made it. I don't know anything about it. I can't find anything about it. But what I do know is that homie that had the big things on his car back in 2005 put this wing on with 4 wood screws, and now it's on my car for like $23, so no complaints there. But I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Should we rock the weirdo wing, or should we go back to the Sport wing? I mean, you guys can say what you want. I'm interested to hear, but that doesn't mean I'm going to listen to you. So I think I'm going to run to the store, grab some double-sided tape, and then lay this thing down and just rock it for a little bit. See what happens with it. Quick update, 3,000. Transmission is clean. Got to paint it. Garage is a mess, per usual. I feel like I'm living out of a suitcase, both for the track in the garage and for my clothes and my life. So, Steel It Bay. You guys will see this in the next video. Steel It Bay is done. Making good progress. I don't know when we're gonna get to the track with the V again. We only have 2 more weeks till we're on the road again. It's tough this time of the year, but we're making it happen, and then we're moving. Should be moving after the new year. So either way, we're gonna try and do what we can. So thank you guys for watching, and remember, V stuff. If you want to drift your Vs like this one, or if you're a street driver guy, need some tow rods, carbon fiber intakes, got those too. Check it out, stansco.jp. Got you covered, all that jazz, and see you in the next one.